So we made it to Arizona. We are on or at Grand Canyon National Park, and we're doing the Rim Trail right now, which is a super easy like paved trail that goes along the rim of the Grand Canyon. Both of us are like really sore from our hike in Zion yesterday, but it took about 3.5 hours to get from Utah to Arizona. So we're just taking it easy today, enjoying these gorgeous views. It is absolutely beautiful outside, sunny, 75 degrees, and I mean just basking in this gorgeous landscape. So I'm gonna do a quick panorama for you guys. We're gonna do a little bit harder trails tomorrow and the next day, kind of going down into the canyon, but today we are just kind of taking it easy. So I will check back with you guys in a little bit. Good morning. So today we are hiking Bright Angel Trail in the Grand Canyon National Park, and it is a trail that starts all the way at the top of the rim, and then you can go all the way to the bottom to the Colorado River, but that is a good like 20 miles and not something that we felt comfortable doing in one day. So there are several stops along this trail that have like really awesome viewpoints. So we're going to attempt to go to Plateau Point, which is about 12 miles round trip, and you can see the Colorado River from there, but it's about 5,000 feet down elevation wise, and then the climb back up. So it's beautiful out though. It's a little bit chilly, but it'll warm up and be a beautiful day, and we'll get some awesome views for you guys. So we have been walking for about 2 miles, and it is definitely warmed up, and the trail is just super dry, so every time we walk it's like dust. But these views are fabulous. We're starting to be able to get to see the green and the valley, and we are going all the way down to Plateau Point, which is way out there. So we passed a lot of people, but as the trail is getting like longer, we're starting to see less people. So keep checking in with you guys. We hit the 5-mile marker, so we're at Indian Gardens, which is one of the stops on Bright Angel Trail, and it's like a little oasis here. I know that they do overnight camping by permit only. I think you need a backcountry permit to overnight camp here, but it's cool. We're not even close to the canyon floor, but it's nice and cool and breezy and beautiful. And we have like another 1.5 miles to go before we reach Plateau Point and see the Colorado River, but it's a nice place to stop, eat something, let your feet relax, and then we'll continue on. Okay, so we made it to Plateau Point, and that was a tough hike down. I think we hiked down about close to 5,000 feet in elevation, which means we have to hike back 5,000 feet. But it was worth it. The views are absolutely beautiful, and you just couldn't see like the greenery and the colors and everything from way up top, and it was definitely worth it. You can see the Colorado down there. I don't know if you guys can see from here, but the Colorado River is down there and you can hear it. So I think I'm just gonna hang out here and bask in some beauty for a little while, rest my feet. But if you guys are in Grand Canyon National Park and you feel like hiking a good 12-mile round trip hike, then it's definitely worth Bright Angel Trail to Plateau Point. Good morning. Hey guys, so today is Thursday and we are still in Arizona. This is our last day at Grand Canyon National Park. So today we're going to rent some bicycles and do some of the bicycling trails along the rim of the Grand Canyon. And both of us are like really tired and sore from our hike yesterday. Going down was easy, going up was not so much, but it was worth it. Got some great footage that I'll share with you guys. So we're just gonna do like an easy bicycling day today, and it's actually really chilly. Like I think the high today is barely gonna be 50 and it's incredibly windy. So I'm like triple layered. I know it's gonna be cold, but I'm excited to see some more views and just relax and have an easy active day, and I'll see if I can get any more footage for you guys.